Hey everyone, welcome to hauchicyt. So today we're going vintage shopping and the first stop we're going to is Regista. So let's just look inside the window display and I already see a few new pieces. There's the infamous 22 bag with the backpacks and that just came out. They have a really nice classic flap there. And then also they have these really cute colours, like this iridescent unicorn colour, that's really nice, and that's pretty new as well. And then big strap, and then also this little disco ball here, the adjustable strap.
I love vintage.
Yeah.
And the fact that it's still 18 gold is edition. And you have to think it's a bag 20 years old. So.
Yeah. Oh, when was this one?
It's 2000.
2000?
Yeah. We had another one that was 1996.
Oh.
So 26 years.
Wow.
Even like another one 30 years old. So
even the hardware is like
no,
really
it's
nice.
not gonna. Nothing's gonna happen because, as I said, it's a 18 gold hardware. So
yeah, it's really like I love it.
Well, you never owned like a vintage one before.
Yeah.
So it's up to you.
I'm gonna try the light version of this, like the beige.
The light version.
Yeah. So all it needs is like the polish here. Oh, that was nice.
it's a beautiful photo, yeah.
Oh. Yeah, that's nice.
I kind of prefer this one, I don't know.
I think it's the gloss on this one. But this one, it can be polished easily as well.
Yeah, it can be polished.
Yeah.
We do not do that because we don't want to touch the bag and we want to sell it in the original condition. After, if you want to do it, you're free to do it by yourself. Yeah.
Oh, nice.
This is so beautiful.
Oh, that's beautiful. It's still got the slight puff as well. Oh, wow.
This one is more recent.
Yeah, this one's really nice as well. But I do have a lot of light colour bags. It's like a cream.
Cream color. You have to be careful.
Yeah.
For sure, yeah. So when you wear it with like dark clothes, you have just to be sure that the color is not going to transfer on the leather.
I like the condition of this one.
Yeah, this one is like perfectly pristine condition, obviously.
Yeah. But this one is nice. I think the classic. There's one. Yeah, I think this one. But this does look cute. But I think this one is it's just 1 grommet.
Yeah, this is another problem with that one, that you cannot double the chain. So, but you can twist the chain inside to make it shorter.
Yeah.
I can show you how. So you can
Oh, it is quite short.
You can still wear it like, it doesn't look bad. It looks good. Yeah, absolutely.
For tiny humans, it works. But I think the classic is like collector's piece. And but I think it's just mainly the double strap that I prefer holding it. Because when I do wear this just like this, it's it can like dig a little bit more. Should I see the other ones? Oh, this one's a different one. That's a cute one. is a rare one actually, because they don't do this anymore.
I've never seen that before.
It's rare to find it brand new. Yeah. And then that one's this is a newer mini, but it can't fit a phone. Oh wow, so heavy.
But not that color.
Very, yeah, I think this is huge.
Yeah.
So this is Design Exchange, it's just around the corner, and they also sell some really nice vintage as well. Wow, this is like when the Lady Dior Fun Colors first came out. Look at that iridescent.
It's like bubblegummy, but I like it.
Yeah, this was the first like Fun Colors.
Yeah.
It came in this and like a bubblegum pink. And it's only that much, 2,195. Oh, they got like exotics over here. It's like 2,000.
The snake one.
Yes, 2,560. Oh, that's a vintage. Wow. It's a little bit like crooked, but it's £2,500.
Well, do you think you can get that fixed?
Yeah, I think fixing this, like to restructure it, will probably be about 200,
200.
like 300 maybe. Oh, they also have the vintage here, but it's silver and it's slightly bigger. It's not too bad, but I think the other one looks tidier. Blind for Love.
Whoa.
Huh? Yeah, Gucci.
That's so beautiful.
Yeah, Hermes. It's like 15K.
Damn.
Yeah.
By the way, the scarf, is this scarf comes with it?
I don't think so, not sure. These are like exotic, that's why they're so much. This one's like 63.
63K. It's the alligator one.
I think it's either alligator or crocodile.
Oh, that green one is beautiful. It's cheaper though, 40K.
Yeah. I think this one is like
Ostrich.
ostrich, yeah.
Ostrich. Oh, wow. I don't like that orange though.
But with gold hardware.
Maybe the medium brown.
Now again, but we can take
9,000.
one box in. Yeah, that'd be great. Thank you.
Yeah, this is really good condition, and it's for 5,900. So cheaper. It's a medium.
Alright.
They go for about 6,000.
The grey one.
I think it's quite recent. I'm just shocked at the price of this one. And the lambskin's really nice. It's not like scary scratchy. But you can just go to a handbag spa. 60 quid is done.
60 quid for a handbag spa.
Or if you want to like recolor it, 150. Oh, and then they have the Almas as well. Friday afternoon I went to an event, and this was with Mixsoon and Glamtouch, because Glamtouch is the main retailer for Mixoon in the UK, and I went to try some of their products. Hey everyone, welcome to hauchicyt. So today I'm at the event with Mixsoon and Glamtouch, and here we have Janet, who is our ambassador.
Yeah, ambassador, but like a general manager of sales in Mixsoon.
So what is like your brand's philosophy?
So we have 3 philosophies. So first and foremost will be minimalism. So as you can see, all of our products are very minimal in design and also very minimal in ingredients. And also ingredient oriented, and we are very like more into ingredients, so we also own our own farm. And also we are very much clean beauty, so we do a lot of activities like environmental activities and also social activities, like for example this kind of smile logos that you can see in our products and are for the drawings of the artist who has autism. So we do a lot of collaborations with them and environmental groups and many collaborations.
So it's just like this one.
Yeah, this smile logo, it is an artwork of Minwoo Jung. He's part of the artist who is in the art program of artists who has autism. So we wanted to support them financially for a long term, so we put their drawings on our package and on our like goods, and when we sell them, we like donate part of the sales every month for a very long time.
During the whole event, we learnt a lot about the products, and also we got to try some of the products, and the most famous one is this bean essence, which is really famous for having this peeling effect, and then it really exfoliates and brightens the skin. They also have this wonderful essence with a really cute bear on there, and I personally love this one. It's one of my favorites. And then we just learned more about each product and how the brand ethics are trying to make this world a more sustainable place, and also where they source their ingredients, and not to mention they have a range of products which are for everyday care. Thank you so much Glamtouch and Mixsoon for inviting us to the event. I had an amazing time and I'm excited to try all the products. So thank you so much for watching, and if you liked today's video then please do like and subscribe, and also follow all of your socials.
Yeah, we have our official account in Instagram and also in YouTube, so please subscribe and follow.